Convert year/month/day to day of year in Python. I'm using the datetime module, i.e. and I would like to compute the day of year that takes leap years into account. For example, today, March 6, 2009, is the 65th day of 2009. I see two options. Create a number of days and month equals 31, 28, ... array. Decide if it's a leap year and manually sum up the days. Use datetime.timeDelta to make a guess and then binary search for the correct day of the year. These both feel pretty clunky and I have a gut feeling that there's a more Pythonic way of calculating the day of the year. Any ideas/suggestions?
Use datetime.timeTuple to convert your datetime object to a time.struct_time object, then get its tm_a property.
You could use strophtime with a %j format string. But if you wish to do comparisons or calculations with this number, you would have to convert it to int because strophtime returns a string. If that is the case, you are better off using Zinx's answer.
Zinx's answer is a great answer for the question. I found this question and used Zinx's answer while looking for the inverse function, convert dates with the Julian day of year into the date times. I found this to work. Or numerically. Or with fractional one-based dates popular in some domains. I'm not sure of etiquette around here, but I thought a pointer to the inverse functionality might be useful for others like me.
If you have reason to avoid the use of the datetime module, then these functions will work.